The importance of a good skincare routine doesn't require any explanation. We all know that by now. But there is a thing that needs to be clarified. Skincare isn't only for women in their 30s or 40s. Rather, you should start following a proper routine in your 20s to prevent aging signs and other issues beforehand. As the saying goes, prevention is better than cure. So why not do it early to avoid future disasters? Following a proper skincare routine in your 20s with the best products can result in fewer aging signs in the future, so trust our words, you need it. So to spare you the hassle, in today's video, we are going to talk about a skincare routine that you can follow in your 20s. Let's jump into the video.
The Trendy Beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
The importance of a good cleanser is not unknown anymore. In your 20s, your life is mostly so busy building your career or continuing with your studies that it becomes quite hard to take care of your skin properly. But it is important to do so, and the first step is getting rid of that dirt and impurities. We recommend the First Aid Beauty Face Cleanser, which is gentle, fragrance-free, and will remove makeup and grime quite effectively. It's a pH balanced cleanser with a formula containing a powerful botanical antioxidant blend that will calm your irritated skin, and the product is dermatologist tested for your convenience. Exfoliating the skin is so important in order to ensure a glow and get rid of the dull look caused by dead skin cells. Choose an exfoliant that contains salicylic acid or AHAs and BHAs, as these ingredients are proper and great for exfoliation. The Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel is a good choice for exfoliation, as it contains 7 AHA and BHAs along with antioxidants and vitamins to take care of dead skin cells while providing skin with an improved tone and texture. The formula of these pads is oil-free, so you can use this 2-step daily treatment for achieving better skin on the go. Serums are so beneficial for the skin because they contain actives that provide targeted results. As we mentioned before, skincare in your 20s is all about prevention. For that, you can choose a serum that will take care of common problems such as acne and aging signs. This Clinique Acne Solutions Acne Plus Line Correcting Serum is a great option to opt for, as it works to treat and clear acne while taking care of fine lines and wrinkles. The formula contains salicylic acid, whey protein, acetyl glucosamine, and clary sage extract, which work together to treat lines and breakouts efficiently. Using eye cream on the skin around your eyes can be a great option to go for in your 20s. The L'Oréal Paris Revitalift Anti-Wrinkle Plus Firming Eye Cream is a good choice for that, as it is formulated especially for your delicate eye area. The formula of this eye cream contains Stimuplex plus Pro-Retinol, and it promises to provide smoothing and firming outcomes in 4 weeks. You can also minimize the puffy look you get in the morning with the help of this eye cream. Moisturizer locks in all the benefits of skincare products used beforehand, so you just cannot escape the skincare essential. And when it comes to moisturizers, hyaluronic acid is a great ingredient for providing your skin with that plump effect in your 20s. Our recommended product for you is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer, which contains hyaluronic acid for hydrating your skin, watermelon extract rich in amino acid and vitamin, which fights free radicals to take care of dark spots and aging signs, plus jasmine and peony extract rich in antioxidants to provide your skin with soothing and brightening outcomes. This moisturizer is a great option for providing your skin with long-lasting moisture. Sun is greatly responsible for the external aging of your skin. So if applying sunscreen wasn't your priority before, make it right now. A good sunscreen is always essential for keeping your skin protected from harmful UV rays. And when it comes to sunscreens, we recommend the CeraVe Hydrating Mineral Sunscreen SPF 50 Face Lotion, which is 100% mineral sunscreen with broad spectrum protection. This product is oil-free and contains 9% titanium dioxide and 7% zinc oxide. The formula also has 3 essential ceramides and niacinamide for hydrating and calming benefits, plus the sunscreen is fragrance-free and non-comedogenic as well. So that was a simple routine that you can follow in your 20s to give your skin the goodness it needs. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.